What's up, guys? Welcome back. Here is Uncle Mo from Kenya. I'm just welcoming you back to my channel. I started this video here when I was taking my goods right there going home, and then I decided to say, oh, let me check them first. Oh, this video is all about like this shining. It is all about I was in the very far job. Now I'm heading back to see how the progress of the job going on at Empress D. So they have already feel my smell. Let me go and check because I'm not hearing those things. They go, means they are ending up the job. Oh, check the hay is so tall. They are doing good. Eh? But me personally, I've never visited any shamba apart from this, and the next to me there. Someone may think, Uncle, why don't you go check all the shambas? Even we planted another one next to me right here. But I'm very busy. Even today we see where I'm coming from. I was in the shamba. That's the reason I'm telling you. It is very hard. Let me show you where my goods they are. Because someone may think, Uncle, that video is very far. I'm grazing them right here. I tie them very nice. Even you see this one, they are eating right here. These Amsterdam kids. And you can just see that one, even the stomach is just showing you they are doing good. That's village life. See even this one, a small baby. And the Amsterdam right there hustling in that bush. I'm not allowing them to go to the hay, no. You see, and I tie them here and another one here. And Amsterdam right there. See? It is just eating silent. Then I rotate them, then I take them to another place. Hey, village life, no joke. That's where it is. And I know those ones that they tried this when they were young. Right now you are old. You can tell them how grazing goats they are. A very hectic exercise. They can run. They usually run very fast. When you put them like this, they graze leaves. And that's the mother of this. That's suck this. The mother is this. You know, someone may think, Uncle, who gave you this? This I not tell you because if you are very keen of following videos, you've seen this during video time. Then since he rendered to me, I've given that one. Then Amsterdam, you can just see it has beautiful too here. See, they are grazing. You see the way you graze? Right there. Those ones, you control them. They cannot go to the hay. Because you must be very serious about it. If you are very serious, another one is right there tied. Tied is very serious. Why? Leta mbuzi Paulo karibu na hiyo. Mbona kukimbiza? Vuta mbuzi. Holi mbuzi karibu na mwenzake. Labda hapo kuna siafu. Nini kinayuma? Hiyo mbuzi unajua ina nguvu. That goes as power. Goes his head. Let me check mats also. I see what taking place right there. Dakika chache sitaanza kwenda nyumbani. Yenye itakuwa sasa iko fiti. Ni hivyo itakuwa. What? Near to the base. You know, as you see, when you see this, the place further, it is also very tough when you take it. See, guys, from here you can just see how material that is just going on. Even you can just see now how the arrangement right here is. That's how it is. stone have been cut. Just tell. You see, even here they are given space. They are telling me they are going. Oh, even Empress told me, want to see the something a bit small here. Let me take a short video. See the way things they are, you can just identify from the way you see. Right, the one material right there, and they'll bring you in this side. You'll be able to see those are the only thing remaining right there. You can just see, and then bring you like this. That's video being shown right there, like this, until that corner. You can just see until the remaining parts is this. Jambo. The job is keep increasing. You can just see how the job is increasing. You see here the marshal after they work. They wash their clothes and hang them right here. Those after they work, those dusts it go to their clothes, then they hang it here. See the work that's we can just tell even the waiting they're telling you they are doing what they are running away. And then from there they are almost. Wambia ng'ang'ane. Guys, if you check here, we are seeing a great job. If you remember, there was a lot of stone here. Where are they now? The only things we are seeing is pieces like this. The black one remained this. The black they're almost. If you open this, it means the only thing remaining is to migrate to another position. Means tomorrow, no other than the job must be going on. The job will be heavily resume with high energy, because you can just see from your eyes. You know, this also very important. I don't want this one to mix with this bara. if I see things like this, I should remove because they are special. These are machine cuts, you remember. All this guy eat all of this. Then someone telling you no job going on right there. The job guy is still heavy work going on here. Then someone ask me, I'm not seeing any progress. I'm not seeing any job going on that side. Then you are late. The job is like this. The job is going on here non-stop. Keep it like this. When there is rain, there is mud. Just wait to see the results. I think I'm from here to that part you are seeing it right there. So told me that place only. All of them moved from this. And we check here, everybody's trying to get beans. These the beans, not the. See the way they are this. This is not pigeon peas. Guys, finally, I told you I've been checking my goat there, right there. They're playing a football game. And finally, even I was in this place, I get one of the biggest fun is here. Enjoy side.
What's up?
Stanley with you.
Yes.
Stanley. How is Stanley?
What's up, our good people? It's Stanley back again. Yeah, I'm Stanley, Uncomo's friend. For those who don't know me, yeah, it's another fine evening. I just decided let me visit my friend Uncomo from Kenya.
Welcome, Stanley.
Yeah, I'm very much welcome. You know, I was with you maybe last week. We had a video with you.
How's everything? Because since you surprised me with the big box, I will never.
Yeah, that day, I just came. I just said, let me surprise Uncomo, with a very big box with something inside.
Guys, for those who don't know, this is Stanley, the one who went to Kaduna.
Yeah, the one who
but
knows.
He changed.
Yeah, I changed.
Why are you heading to Stanley right now?
I was just, I just wanted to check you this evening. Then next week I'm going to school.
What's your plan next? Are you going to Kaduna or you changed your mind?
I changed my mind.
What's your plan next?
My plan next, I wanna go to the US. You know the US?
Oh,
yeah.
Right now things that are hard in the US.
Ah.
It is either you choose another country.
Guys, now guys are the one to decide for me which country I go.
You are the one who to choose the best one you like.
Me, I like the USA,
Reason?
US, I even have friends from there. you remember my friends like Ramon?
Yeah.
Those are my friends from the US. So there, guys, Uncomo is telling me things are not good at US. Now, guys, maybe you decide for me where to come. Maybe I can come to your country,
May I prefer you go Jamaica that you become black.
Jamaica, Jamaica, it's,
How you go Europe?
Maybe I give you a brief history. In school we are taught that Jamaica. Yeah, guys.
Hold for me this that good.
That's Uncomo with the goats, Yeah, guys, that's how it is. In school, we are told that Jamaica is made up of black Americans. And those Americans, they are the assimilated Africans that were taken from Africa. Yeah, to the overseas as slaves. They were taken as slaves, by then the British, maybe for instance in Kenya was colonized by the British, you know, the British. Yeah, then so the British used to take people to go there to fight in the world wars, you know. Yeah, actually even my grandfather was taken, my great grandfather and my grandfather, you know, they were taken to the overseas to go and fight in the Second World War, you know. They were just coming, they look at the size of your body. If you are big bodied enough, you are just given a very little training. Yeah, that's how it is, guys. Yeah, Uncle Mo is telling me to visit Jamaica. You know Jamaica, the capital city of Jamaica is Kingston. Uncle Mo, do you know the capital city of Jamaica?
Me, I was just proposing. I'm not even 100%.
Okay, guys, the capital city of Jamaica is Kingston. You know Kingston? Yeah. Hope those people from that place, they can testify. It's true. The capital city of Jamaica is Kingston, Uncle Mo. Yeah, those are Uncle Mo's goats, you know.
Let me ask you, Stanley, a question.
Yeah.
Can you tell us the same thing you challenged me? That's a choral verse or what?
Oh, that was a poem that I composed. You know a poem?
Tell us your poem, Stanley.
Okay, my poem is about dreams. You know dreams?
Dream married. Tell us your dream.
Your dreams, you know, everybody has his or her dream. Now, in this current world, we're in a world that, you know, some people tend to give up in life, you know. But my dream, my poem is an encouragement. It's just a 2 stanza, but and more encouraging. Now here it is.
Question. The topic of that poem is about what? Wow, dream.
Dreams.
Oh, the topic of the poem is dream. Go on, Stanley.
Okay.
Let me keep quiet.
Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is like a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams go, life is a bare land frozen with snow. Yeah, that's it. That it is, Uncle Mo.
Repeat again.
Okay, let me repeat. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams go, life is a bare land frozen with snow.
What does that poem mean? In a simple term for someone who doesn't understand the poem. You know, a poem is something hidden. Words.
Hidden. Now, everyone has his dreams. You know dreams? Maybe the ambitions one, you know.
Like this God, the way they are checking you.
Yeah. You get? Now, hold fast to dreams, you know. Consider your dreams rather than anything else. What you want to become in future, you know. Like for me, I want to become an engineer, you know, engineer/lawyer. If not an engineer, I be a lawyer. 2, a YouTuber, you know.
Third YouTuber, I get my goats here.
Yeah. Now, hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, if you let your dreams die, you know, if you don't consider your dreams, life is like a broken winged bird. Now, take for this scenario, a broken winged bird that cannot fly. If you're broken, you know,
you can't move.
You can't move. Meaning, in the whole of your life, you will just you won't go far in life, you know. You won't prosper. Are you getting me? Yeah. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is like a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Stanza 2. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams go, life is like a bare land. You know bare land?
Something like this. No fruits.
Unproductive. Now, if you just let your dreams go, you know, you will never be productive, you know. Everything you do will just be. Yeah.
Sorry, Stanley. Go on, Stanley.
Okay. If you just let your dreams go, everything you do will just go in vain, you know. will just go in vain. You'll never do anything productive. You know, a bare land, there's nothing can grow in a bare land. Now it's a bare land frozen with snow. You know snow? Okay, vegetation, mountain vegetation. You have savanna, St. Boys High School, savanna, rainforest, bamboo, heath and moorland, then snow. Now in a mountain vegetation, yeah, that's how it is.
Stan is a clever guy.
Yeah, you know.
He has some formulas.
Yeah, I have a formula. And that formula was derived from the school in which I'm studying, St. Joseph School, Rapogi. Now, St. Rapogi Boys High School.
That's how you know savanna.
Yeah, that's how you know the mountain vegetation. Any mountain, savanna, grasslands, rainforest, bamboo, heath and moorland, snow and bare land. Now in that snow, no vegetation at all, you know. Nothing grows in. So if just let your dreams go, you won't be productive anymore. There's nothing you can do. That's how it is, Uncle Mo.
Well, go on, guys. Me and not explain anything you have heard from Stanley. Stanley is very happy to give us his mission.
Yeah.
And they tell us like the way things they are. I'm here with my goats also. Next, Stanley, how many days are you in this place?
Yeah, actually next week.
Only 5 days or 2?
Only I'm remaining with the days 22nd. Then I'm remaining with 6 days.
What do you tell your fans? Because people knows you very well.
Yeah, my fans have a nice time, guys. Support me if I go to school. You know, you can just communicate with Uncle if you want to communicate with me.
Yeah,
I'm around. I even heard you telling me that there are some people who will come to visit you soon.
Yeah, those guys are coming. They're coming.
Yeah.
But when they'll be here, they're only for 2 days.
Okay.
But you'll not see them this time. Next time, because when you already got to school.
Yeah, guys, if maybe it's someone who may wish to see me, so that we may even mingle a little.
You'll interact, but they'll be here on a Saturday and a Sunday.
On a Saturday and Sunday, okay.
They They left here on I think 11th.
Oh.
Next month.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, that's Stanley. You have heard what Stanley has. Stanley is a good man. Very intelligent, very hardworking man.
Yeah.
Curing, guys. That's the only thing taking place right here. We pour our water so as we can cure the block. There is only see them there. You see even right here, and we can just even water. I'm telling you something. Just even right here, there is water. See? So it's not raining. You see, it's curing. A job cannot finish in the construction site. No one can tell you the job is not there. The job must be there. It may end up you are not seeing it. Other someone may think, maybe I'm not seeing any job there. But the job is still there. It's very hot. Someone was asking, did Marty drink water? People have so many ideas. If you show them water Marty drink, they not even say, they keep quiet. They end up even chill. Marty drink water right here, very clean. Because he must drink using his item. Hey. People have so many. I remember Meja. They're still curing. You can just even right here. The wall has been cured a few minutes ago. And then even that one. Then we shall be pouring, we shall be curing this, you'll be seeing this. See, even water was dry down here. You know, when you check this house inside, it is not the way you see outside. Inside is different because those stones, the only part they reflect in the front side, back. Shall we cure this part a few minutes? Check guys, those building, those blocks. Here we are not curing. Here is already finished. Let me take you inside here to see something. See inside the way it is. Check the block, this house, the way it is inside. Those stones, you see the way they build. You see? They build with a very strong cement, very strong. Take very strong cement. Don't think they put very strong. It is if you check very well. Don't someone show you outside and inside you say, oh, that house is inside is like that one. No, I don't like it. But those are the stone. The house being built with the stone until a wall, stone wall. Imagine this, they plaster until it become level. When you stand like this, because they plaster all of the beam you are seeing, you never see that beam again. It will be fully like this. I don't to explain much, let me just wait to see the results. Take inside. Wasikiaje Rukawa?
Ni kweli.
Yeye anasema wewe wakati unang'ang'ana kuvaa jeans ya 100.
Wale kama marehemu ule walikuwa safari kwa nani huyu alikuwa anaitwa Kolmo. Alikuwa anavaa aje? Anavaa za wakati hata aliitwa na chati mpaka wakasema
yule alikuwa anajifanya. Ile
sio kujifanya ni kama mwenyani. Huyo mtu alikuwa mtu pesa. Na alikuwa anavaa ile kingine ya chini sana ya mtumba. Kwanza yeye alikuwa ananunua mtumba.
Unafikiria hiyo kinyaza yake ni pesa ngapi?
Wife yake mwenyewe amenyoa nywele. kubwa sana. Akasema, "Ai bwana, watu ukae ndani ya pesa na kwa
Kinyasa kiko na bei.
Unaonanga 50 bobo hapa hivi. Watakwambia 800 ama 1000.
hiyo ni hiyo tu lakini marupurupu unaona hadi KDC.
Atawini. Wale ndio wana win leo win food.
Gani?
Sisi wanapiga mtu. Nataka kumwagilia wapi hapa ndani?
Hapo nje.
Ile line ya nje.
Yeye si anapiga mtu.
Kawaida. Jamani anifurahisha. Wale watu wenye wanajifanya wanadungilia vile vitu kali.
Mbaya hawana pesa.
Hao ndio wana pesa. Yeah, that must when say you wear nice clothes, the people wearing nice clothes, they don't have money.
Sasa unaona kama bwana. Unaweza jua.
Yule sasa tuwezi jua mambo yake.
Huwezi jua.
Lakini ile marangangana uwe majinis. Unaona engineer anasema wale wanachonga pale. Anasema mwalimu akakuja na vaa ile jeans ya 200. Wewe nadhani hata ana hera. Wale walikuja hapo. Ana hera kama makaratasi. Na yeye ile fundi anasema yeye anangangana. Aende kununua jeans ya 2000. Ili aonekane ana kitu. Na kumbe hana. Wapi yo Jack? Hiyo jamaa ni mbao. Unajiweka viwango na una pesa. Leta maji hapo nje ni kwa wewe.
Singemalizia hapa.
Na una pesa. Unataka kuvaa jeans ya 2000. Na kumbe
hakuna kile kitu.
Na boss anaweza vaa hata gambuti. Na wewe unataka kupige kiatu rangi. Mimi nikamwambia nategemea na hiyo mtu mwenyewe. Najua yanamaliza kila kitu. Maliza kila kitu. Juisi ile imemwagiliwa.
Inaonekana kesho anaweza jenga.
Kesho kazi iko. Tena ile kali si ile hata hiyo fundi ana vitu. Masakro sinamjua mimi.
Yule mwenye alikufa. Yule mzee. Alikuwa anavaa hata nguo moja lakini pesa. Wakati aliona anakufa. Akapatia kijana wa mteja. Amtapiga. Ampatia pesa hivi.
Hivi Masakro. Sasa pesa alipewa kijana mmoja alipeleka wapi?
Si alimwambia sasa hivi utaenda utalipia utalipa. Mimi naona hapa
Karimu sako. Karimu sako aliziko wapi? Walimfuata? Juu alifanyanga kazi hapa Nyamwanse muda mrefu basi. Wewe mwenye alikuwa rafiki yake ni huyo kijana. Hakuwa anapeleka banki. Kwa hivyo ndio yote yenye alihaso alikuwa anatunza. Kama kijana wangu naenda ulipe hiyo school fees.
Mimi hapa naona.
Safi. Ukiwa hapo unaona kama hiyo laini iko hivi. Unaamini?
Kipaji.
Wewe ukiwa hapo unaona kama ilienda hivi. Kwani nataka hata ile uko mbele pa mwagiliwa. Uko sima umekaa sana. Yako kalaini hapo. Ile mbele kwa nini?
Hiyo ni kitambo.
Hiyo kitu imekaa. Nimemaliza wiki 2. Nimemaliza.
Ungemwagilia hapo.
Ngoja kidogo. Ndio inashika sana.
Maji inakaa sawa
ukimwagilia inatoa ile vumbi. Yaani siku wanasugua. Wanasugua ile nini? Imeisha kwa. Usikie ivuti cement ivuti inasema ukitaka kujua nyumba haijashika maji. Wakati unamwaga unasikia kama hiyo haijashika maji. Lakini yenye ivuti unasikia inanyamaza. Shafuta maji mpaka mwisho. Anza ukipiga kidogo hivi. Raga imechange. Wali na change. Akini kimwagiliwa inakaa nyeusi. Sasa ulisha mwagilia. Unamalizia wapi?
ule ukuta.
Ule mrefu? Piga ili uache. Imekaa clean. Imechange kala mtu nadhani tumejengwa saa hii na ni ya kitambo. Thank you very much my people, keep watching. What's up, guys? Let me end this video here by saying thank you very much for taking your time and watch Ankomo from Kenya. Tomorrow in a good day I'll be starting building this Ochman sites here. If the mason turn out, the job will kick on here tomorrow. Even if the mason doesn't turn out, I return out making foundation right here, then I'll slab. That's the plan for next. What is the main aim here? I want to start making a big project here so as I can even challenge other things here in my place here. They have been long without anything going on, but I'm back because sooner it'll be. I want to make it this kind nice because people that will be coming in my place here, even the watchman will be here. Here. When he will be opening the door, is the one who will be pushing the door going up and down. Don't ask me, Uncle, what are you planning to have? Big celebration inside here. But I'll not say the day until when I fix things well. Soon. Next month. I'll be burning goats here, right here in this kitchen, right here, outside here. Yeah, you can hear the rain start raining. You see indication of telling my champagne, there will be pumping here. I'll be doing like the my champagne, my champagne is like this. My champagne, as indication of telling my champagne. I'm preparing them also here. Yes, guys, that's where it is. Here you check here. Koda, that's the seat you cook right here. And 3 figures here, right here. They will not take you much. Let me just say, feel most welcome anytime in this place. You know what made this not my goods? What made them like this? It is that rain, the stone crashed everything. Yeah, that's where it is. Let me just end this video here by saying thank you very much, my people. Wherever you are, enjoy the video, comment, enjoy your time. Let me hope everything goes well. Today I'm ending this video by saying thank you very much. I'm ending it today with beauty. And I'm Poppy and Doreen Small. Thank you for good job.